Hello my friend, my name is Yoga Heri Sofyanto. In this video, I will explain about business etiquette. In the business world, etiquette is very necessary to manage and run a business. With good etiquette, automatically business will be easier to develop. Etiquette applied in a company will help shape the values, norm, and behavior of employees and leaders. Of course, every company believes that the principle of running a good business is an ethical principle. Therefore, the etiquette in the company to make it as a guide in working. The following is a complete explanation of business etiquette. In general, the notion of business etiquette is the ways in which a business conduct business activities that cover various aspects, be it individuals, companies, or the community. Etiquette in business can also be interpreted as a knowledge of the ideal procedure for managing a business by paying attention to norm and morality that apply universally, economically, and socially. Every company must pay attention and implement the applicable ethics. For example, obeying the applicable law and regulation. Number 1. Business etiquette is an applied etiquette in which the area of applying moral principles is in the area of human action in the field of economic business and has a moral business objective, according to Yusapnus. Number 2. Business etiquette is an ethical standard that has a relationship with the ways and objective in determining business decision, according to State et al. Business etiquette has the aim to provide encouragement to moral awareness and to provide limits for entrepreneur or business people to be able to conduct business honestly and fairly and to distance themselves from fraudulent business that harm many people or parties who have attachment. In addition, business etiquette has a goal that the business can be run and create as fair as possible and adjusted to the agreed laws. Business etiquette can provide motivation for business people to continue to improve their abilities. If these goals are achieved, the benefit to be gained by the company are the entire business process can run smoothly. When business process runs smoothly, according to the guideline, it will automatically attract and bring in lot of profit for the company. However, on the contrary, if ethics in business is not carried out properly, then this goal will be difficult to achieve. As a result, business process will go very far from the desired profit. In addition, if companies uphold ethics in business, they will get trust and good image from customer, because customer will feel well served without fraud. Business etiquette is important because it creates a professional, mutually respectful atmosphere and improve communication, which help an office serve as a productive place. People feel better about their job when they feel respected, and that translates into better customer relationship as well. To help you define the type of manners or behavior that are expected in your workplace, consider the following. Number 1. How do you treat client or customer? Number 2. How do you treat your coworkers and supervisor? Number 3. How do you conduct yourself in your cubicle or office? Number 4. How do you conduct yourself during meetings? Number 5. What kind of email message do you send? Number 6. Do you follow a dress code? Number 7. How do you conduct yourself in the break room? Number 8. How do you conduct yourself during business sponsor social event? Number 9. How do you conduct yourself during training event? Number 10. How do you conduct yourself on the telephone? Number 1. Principle of honesty business etiquette. Business are required to have the principle of honesty in order to get the key to success that lasts for a long time. If there is a businessman who is acting dishonestly and fraudulently, there is a big possibility that there will be no business people who are willing to cooperate. Number 2. Autonomous principle of business etiquette. The principle of autonomy in business etiquette is a person's ability and attitude when taking action and decision based on his own awareness of what he thinks is good that can be done. Number 3. Mutual principle give advantage of business etiquette. Business people must run their business as well as possible so that its related party benefit. Just like the principle of justice, the principle of giving benefits also has the aim of avoiding one of the parties who profit. Number 4. Principle of fairness in business etiquette. This one principle requires business people to be treated fairly and adjusted to rational criteria. Besides that, it also requires that someone in running a business must treat internal and external relations equal and give their respective right. This aim to keep losses from one party of the business. Number 5. Principle of moral integrity business etiquette. In carrying out their duties, business people must maintain the good name of their company. Business must manage and run the business as best they can so that the trust of customers of other parties in the company remains. Improving your business etiquette can have a positive impact on your career. Remember to use common courtesy, adopt the you attitude, consider other needs and feeling first. This behavior leads to good manners and common courtesy, thereby improving your business etiquette. Example of courteous behavior include: Number 1. Using please and thank you as appropriate. Number 2. Addressing other using Mr., Mrs. or Miss unless otherwise requested. Number 3. Speaking clearly and distinctly while using a pleasant tone of voice. Number 4. Maintaining eye contact. Number 5. Smiling and offering a firm handshake when meeting someone new. Number 6. Writing thank you notes and letter of appreciation, congratulations, and condolence as appropriate. You can also improve your business etiquette skill by conducting some research, joining a professional organization, visiting your local bookstore or library, and going online. Remember, business etiquette can vary depending on your profession and organization. Thank you for watching this video. See you again and goodbye.